Due to a low cloud base today, we are flying the show of the Low Show at 3,500 feet. The team coach, Flight Sergeant Mark Clayton, will be looking out the door, waiting for the right time to signal the team to leave the aircraft. And he will exit first, and then each jumper will follow, exiting every 3 seconds, deploying their parachute almost immediately. As well as guiding the team members, the coach must ensure that he doesn't lose sight of the landing area and the 2 coloured crosses which you see on the drop zone today. In very strong wind conditions, the release point could be up to 2.5 kilometres away, which can make locating the drop zone quite a challenge for the team. And if you look above you guys, you can see them now. They're about to go. Every time he says thunder, you've got to shout Falcons, because they can hear you. Ready? Falcons! Come on, everybody! And again! I can see the team are now forming their saber phase. You can see the team is actually forming up behind each other, and they can fall down over the drop zone. You'll see the team is actually forming the snake of the aircraft. This time we have it right now. Everyone takes position themselves for landing back into the arena. They can hear you if you cheer for them when you're overhead! Louder! Cheer! Show me you appreciate them here today! On 3! When I get to 1, you shout Falcons as loud as you can! 1, 2, 3! Go again! 1, 2, 3! And for the landing order today, we have Flight Sergeant Mark Clayton, Sergeant Mike Atkinson, Sergeant Luke Mead, Sergeant Rich Peregrine,